Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I am thankful for green. What are you thankful for today? Leave me a comment down below. Today I wanted to give you a short grow room update, and I got pictures from everything in the grow room here. I got some spinach. It's doing very well. I have some of the kale and the cilantro, and they're hanging right in there as well. And this other cabbage that I have not transplanted is doing well also. The tomato, it's grown roots, but I think all it's feeding is the little cherry tomatoes that were on it. So I'm going to probably have to cut those off, even though I didn't want to, just to get it to grow something besides feeding the fruit. The basil is flowering. I never did get it transplanted. I get about 5 or 10 minutes down here a night, and sometimes a little bit longer on Sunday. But I've just been feeding it water. It's flowering and it looks beautiful, but I don't think it's gonna amount to much. I can try to transplant it and pinch everything off except for what's looking really good, which is something I might do as well. A few weeks ago it wasn't a few weeks, it was probably maybe 10 days, 8 to 10 days, we took some cuttings off of our spider plant and we set them in cups to root, some solo party cups, and 3 out of the 4 cups are rooting. They've been down here, like I said, for 8 to 10 days, somewhere in there, and they are doing very good. Now, I got 3 pepper plants here, and they are starting to take off. They're looking really good for the time of year that it is, and I'm hoping that by the time most other people are getting ready to plant their cayenne peppers, I will have fruit coming off of mine. The potato, on the other hand, is a conundrum. It's an enigma. I know that when we came to plant it, there had been at least 1 or 2 eyes growing off of it. I don't know if they got knocked off or what happened. I've been keeping the soil moist. I've been, doing everything that I know of. It may be that it's just too cold down here for it to grow. I know that seeds take certain conditions. Sometimes a seed can sit there in the soil and wait until the soil is the exact right temperature, and it will not sprout until that point in time. And I know that it's at least 10 degrees cooler down here than it is up by where we were, in our drawer where we were keeping our potatoes. That drawer actually happened to be right above a heater vent, so I'm sure that it got even a little bit warmer in that drawer than it is in the house even. Last but not least, my huge cabbage that I love looking at. I have never gotten to see a cabbage this big, and I am so excited about it. This is Kratky method hydroponics at its best. I can't say enough about it. I just love it. Anyway, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive more videos like this and the other things that we do here on this channel. Also, we are on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and now LinkedIn. So join us over there on any of those platforms. And we are also an Amazon affiliate. And what else? Is there anything else? I got a long spiel here. Amazon affiliate. Check out the links in the description box below. So, excuse me. What else? Anyway, from down south in the grow room here, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.